Students, today we are going to study the Cartesian sign convention rule. Convention means rules, okay, which was given by the person Descartes, Sir Descartes. So, what rule he have given us? So, let us study that. So, we'll consider a graph, okay, and here there is a diagram we'll draw, and this is called as x-axis and this is called as the y-axis. You know, right hand side, towards the right distance are always positive and towards the left distance are negative. That we have learned in our lower classes. Right side में सभी डिस्टेंस प्लस होते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड में सभी डिस्टेंस माइनस होते हैं, नेगेटिव. Above x-axis, all above distance are positive and below distance are negative. This you should know. Now if I draw a mirror here, and you know which mirror it is a concave mirror, okay. The pole will be the mirror which coincide with the origin of the graph. So behind the mirror and in front of the mirror, as I told earlier also कि left side पे front means left side of the mirror and back side या behind the mirror means the back side of the mirror, right side of the mirror, right. So here it will be F, that is focus, and C, that is center of curvature. So let us study the points which the Descartes has given us, okay. And why we are studying this? Because whatever the ray diagram now you have seen, okay, so this all ray diagrams are based on this only, okay. So therefore after explanation of the ray diagram you have to study these rules. So this is left side and this is right side, and you know this is an object and this is an image. So now let us consider the points that you have to study and that you have to write in the examination if it is come, okay. Write the Cartesian sign convention. So you have to write all these points. So first point, it is there in your textbook itself, okay. So first point, object should be always on the left side of the mirror. देखिए आप देखे होंगे कि जब भी मैंने रे डायग्राम अभी ड्रॉ किया है, अभी तक जितने भी हम लोग ने रे डायग्राम सीखे उसमें ऑब्जेक्ट वॉज ऑलवेज ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द मिरर. कभी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को मैंने मिरर के पीछे रखा है क्या? नहीं. सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, नॉट ऑन द राइट साइड. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकेंड, ऑल द डिस्टेंस पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आर मेजर फ्रॉम द पोल ऑफ द मिरर. जितने भी डिस्टेंस हम लोग मेजर करते हैं, ओके, इट शुड बी मेजर फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. और ओरिजिन क्या है? मिरर का पोल. थर्ड, द डिस्टेंस टू द राइट ऑफ द ओरिजिन आर पॉजिटिव. ऑलवेज द डिस्टेंस टूवर्ड्स द राइट, मैंने बताया नंबर लाइन पे भी राइट हैंड साइड पे सभी पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज़ होते हैं, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे सभी नेगेटिव वैल्यूज़ होते हैं. तो राइट हैंड साइड पे जितने भी डिस्टेंस होते हैं वो सब राइट ऑफ द ओरिजिन, डिस्टेंस टू द राइट ऑफ द ओरिजिन आर पॉजिटिव and distance to the left of the origin are negative. This is the third rule. Next, if the distance are measured perpendicular to above the principal axis then it is positive. ऊपर की तरफ x axis के distance सभी positive होते हैं, as we have studied in the maths also. And similarly, if the distance are measured perpendicular to below the principal axis are negative. So these are the things you should know. And the last one is focal length of a concave mirror is negative. ये picture आपने देखा होगा, it is there in your textbook also and I will explain you also. Now here you can see that the focal length is on the left side of the mirror. So left side of the mirror मतलब left side पे सभी values क्या होती है? नेगेटिव. इसके लिए उसका focal length भी क्या होगा? नेगेटिव होगा. Similarly, if you go for the focal length of a convex mirror, अगर मैं convex mirror draw करता हूँ, ये आपने देखा होगा, ये mirror कौन सा है? convex mirror है. तो वहाँ पर focal length इसका क्या है? पॉजिटिव. वाई? बिकॉज आप देख सकते हैं फोकल लेंथ का है राइट हैंड साइड पर है, राइट. एंड राइट हैंड साइड पे सभी वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होते हैं, इसके लिए उसका फोकल लेंथ क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव होगा. करेक्ट. सो दिस आर द थिंग्स दैट यू शुड नो एंड दिस आर द पॉइंट्स दैट यू शुड रिमेंबर. Okay, these are the 6 points that you should know. It is very very important. First, I'll read it once again, that the object should be always on the left side of the mirror. Second, all the distance parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. Third, the distance to the right of the origin are positive, the distance to the left of the origin are negative. Fourth, the distance measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis are positive. Fifth, the distance measured perpendicular to and below the principal axis are negative. And sixth, focal length of a concave mirror is negative, focal length of a convex mirror is positive. Okay, so these points as well as with the diagram which I have shown you, okay, that you have to practice. Question might ask in the examination, so you have to draw the diagram and you have to write this convention, Cartesian sign convention, okay, and it is there in your textbook also, just refer it. Thank you, students.